Hey guys, I'm going to meet Amalia and Kat, and I'm gonna take them in a nice place where we're gonna eat some sweets. Here she is. Hello. Hi. You look cute. 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 I'm so excited. Nice. Okay guys, we are almost here. Are you ready to get some sweets?
Yes, I'm super excited.
There we go. That's Luchi's shop.
Hi guys, I'm super excited. We are in Luchi's kitchen and we're gonna learn how to make some choco pops from scratch. Yay! Luchi has prepared for us some, as you can see, some choco pops that are half made, so we just need to decorate these ones, right?
Yes, we just have to put some chocolate on it and then some decoration.
She also has some carrot cake, where basically it's the step before this one. So we're gonna make it into small balls and then coat it into chocolate and so on. So yeah, I'm super excited and let's see how it's going to go.
Let's get started.
Yeah.
We'll mix it with some white chocolate melted.
Like this. So,
And
what do you call this one?
Choco Pops. You can chop this carrot cake here.
Yes.
We're gonna let Kat do the chop thing.
You want to try it with that?
Very raw. And here.
I'm gonna do my first choco pop. So she said to cover it in chocolate.
You have to put it in.
Oh, in.
Yeah. No.
That's much easier. Thanks, Mama. This chocolate looks so good. Super silky. Okay, so I think it's not coming down anymore. I'm gonna balance it. The glitter?
Yeah.
No. Oh my god, that looks so good. Let me have a look. Wow, look at this.
Look at this. I found a unicorn.
Oh my god, that's made for you. dark in the fridge for a little bit before we're gonna start coating them in chocolate. Yeah.
My face.
So guys, we just got back from Luci's shop. What an amazing experience. Yeah, I learned so much about cakes. We can't wait till we get back in there. But yeah, if you live in Basingstoke or visiting Basingstoke, definitely go and visit and yeah, get some cakes.
Yeah, we're gonna attach the picture with the name of the street where you can find her, and feel free to go to buy some cakes. She's doing anyway cakes for birthday.
Don't forget to subscribe at our channel
And hit the bell to get the notification whenever we're gonna post a new video.
and press like to show us some love.
Bye!
Bye!
Okay.
I'm just checking. Okay guys, so yes, we're back from Luci's coffee
Doing anyway cakes for birthday or cake for wedding.
Too much sugar rush. Mother looks like he's been in the sun. Why you're so nice? Just speak to Luci. Don't forget to